Okay, so here we are another day with EU. Well, today we had we were having an uptrend here. We broke this up, nothing really relevant, and then we started the day by having this break obstructor here after taking this relevant liquidity on M5, which broke this low. I expected this high to be taken because it was the H1 relevant liquidity that broke this structure here, okay? But it just needed to the price just needed to take the M5 relevant liquidity. So I'm gonna take this out here, and then I waited for the break of structure to the downside. We had here a break of structure to the upside, but nothing to the left was relevant enough for this. So I could have expected a continuation that I didn't trade, but probably this one would have been nice. Let me see, the low is 49 and this one 48, so yes, we broke the structure here on M5, and then we took, well, probably the liquidity was this one. So yeah, it could have been, it's not an engulfing candle, so nothing at all, out of timing, sorry, but this was nice. This one here was nice, okay, for a sell. And then in the afternoon we had this break of structure to the upside, nothing to the left because, well, I didn't like EU today. I didn't like it, so I was just looking at GU. But we had this break here, which this was the relevant liquidity probably, and yeah, and this had nothing relevant to the left, so I didn't trade that, and probably I could have looked for some continuation trade, but nothing, no relevant liquidity to the left too. It was late, so yeah, nothing at all. Then GU, which we had an uptrend too. Today we had the first break obstructor probably. As we broke this high, I was looking for sells here. It broke the structure but never took this high here. So, and then we broke this structure, and maybe I could have looked for a buy, but it was out of timing. Relevant to the left, maybe this that broke this, but nothing at all. And then in the afternoon, I had this break of structure here, which it was, for me, it was relevant in that moment because, yeah, because this week was like bigger than the other candle, and on M1 it was a clear break, and then I waited for the relevant liquidity on M1 to be taken, and with this engulfing candle I entered here, and we hit a TP here, having partial and break even here. Here we had break even and partial, okay? So yeah, so this was a TP. The only trade that I took today, it was this one. I'm gonna make it bigger, yeah. It was this one, and I just targeted the relevant liquidity on M5, maybe this one, but yeah, I targeted here, and then it went down. USD CHF, we're having a clear downtrend. To change the trend, we should break this. We must break this. So yeah, I was some sort looking for some buys, but There was really nothing to the left. This was interesting for me, relevant liquidity on H1, but we had the breakout structure here and it went up, so I couldn't enter here. And then we had these breaks here, and I didn't look for buys. So, and I was maybe looking for sells, but I was waiting for this liquidity to be taken. Maybe this was relevant liquidity that broke this, but nothing at all. And well, I didn't trade shit here. And then, well, I had this marked up, so as you can see, I had it like this, and I didn't change it. As relevant liquidity, break of structure, but yeah, nothing at all. This was the break of structure here. I had to go. Yes, I had to go. I had the other trade open, so nothing to look at, nothing to the left really. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that as yeah, some sort. Well, more or less, okay. And then it continued up. Just this APY, same downtrend here. And today we had the first change of structure, probably to look for buys. So I was looking for a buy here, but nothing to the left, near on H1. So yeah, nothing at all really. We took this liquidity, but there was nothing to the left too. So yeah, nothing at all. Nasdaq. Well, we had like we have a downtrend here, and then I was looking for a breakup structure in the beginning of the day, and we had it to the upside, but we never took relevant liquidity or something like that, so I didn't trade that. And here we had a breakdown, which was good for a continuation, but pretty difficult to confirm that. Maybe nothing at all. And finally, US30, the same, I think. Yeah, it's pretty the same. We had a downtrend here. We had the same breakup structure in the beginning of the day, and then we went up. We had the same breakdown here, and yeah, nothing more after breaking this. So yeah, nothing to the left. So I didn't trade that, and well, my account yesterday I was 90,200 because of that TP that was never hit. I don't know why. And yeah, today we are 98,600. So with in 2 weeks more or less, we recuperated the account. I don't know if we were like, I don't know if I can see here. No, I don't think so. History. No. Detailed report. I don't know if I can. Well, I don't care. Like I had 94,000 or something like that, or 93,000 now. We are 98,000, just waiting for good trades and well, and confirming them and having reasons to enter to the left. So with that, it looks pretty good to me. Pretty solid strategy right now. Um, First time in my life, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep practicing, keep looking, keep watching it and studying if it's profitable or not. It looks like so, but it's just 1 week and 1 day, so I have to keep practicing. And if it is like that, I'm gonna start taking exams, but yeah, I just have to be patient and wait. So this is it for today, and well, and Bitcoin going up a little bit, which is Good. Well, see you tomorrow.